Hey YouTube, check it out. Got a brand new monitor cart or trolley. I got them because I have to adjust to our new norm because I'm doing a lot of online meetings now and also signed up for online fitness classes. So I'll put a link on the description and of course I'm going to show you how to assemble it. Hang tight, I'll show you how. Box it and put it together. All unboxed, ready to go. Grab the wrench, grab a short one and a long one. Grab this, the shorter legs goes right there. Front, longer legs. Take this off. Let's go ahead and insert it. Right there. Let's tighten it up. Alright, perfect. We got legs. Assemble the long pole. You're gonna need this. Only goes one way. Just take your time doing it. You remember those halogen lamps? It's kind of the same thing. If it gets messed up, it's messed up for life. There's a gap there, and that's pretty much it as far as it goes. All right, put the molding, slap it on. Those two holes line up with the pole. Just like that. All right, get some Allen screws. Perfect. Take a look. Let's assemble the shelf. Line up the holes. No washers needed. Okay, all good, all tightened up. Good to go. This is the shelf for your computer, right? A laptop. Beautiful. Let's mount it. Here we go. That was a little tricky, but just make sure you don't rush into it, right? There you go. Let's put the shelf on. Here's the shelf we just assembled. Connected. It's already threaded right there. So it's good to go. Beautiful. Let's tighten it up. All right, how about that? So far, so good. Take a look. and just directly in front of it, right there. Take a look. Swing it around and tighten it up with this Allen wrench. Alright, let's put the bracket on. Washer and an Allen screw. Alright, so far so good. One down. We go on time lapse. Alright, take a look at that. Alright, here's the thing. This is practically done. And of course you know how to do the brackets on the TV, right? You attach this to the back of the TV. This thing right here, and it hangs right here. It hangs like that. And then at the bottom, let me show you around. Right there. You loosen it up. Let me focus on that. There you go. And there you go. And tighten it up. Good to go. Picked up another quick release, fully assembled, right? 4 washers, actually 8. All right, let's hang this. Here it is, fully mounted on this brand new Jensen 32-inch TV. Back of the TV, quick mount right here. Let me guide it right there. Hang tight and slide it down. Should snap in place. And slide it down. There you go. Trying to lift it. Good. It's in place. Take a look. How about that? And this TV right here, I'm gonna find out if it's gonna fit our travel trailer, a Jayco 212QBW. As you guys know, I installed a quick release in the bedroom of the travel trailer and also the dining room. So that would be awesome to see this Jensen TV. I'm not sure if you guys know this. Jensen is a well-built TV, built for vibration and the torture that your travel trailer goes through when you're in transit. So yeah, chat with you guys later. Bye for now. This one did not make the installation manual, right? But it goes right here. Let me show you. Hang tight. Here's the piece, right? Just play with it and it will go in. See that? Right there. Now it's time to tighten it up. All right.